Core Linux got updated recently, and in this video I'll show you what are the essentials that are available to install on Core to make it usable, and these are the virtual machine specs. To install programs directly on Core, you need to use apps to view, search, and install different software that are available for it. For a file manager/explorer, you can go with Thunar. Thunar comes with a modern interface, but in my case, it was crashing repeatedly every time I accessed different directories. If you face the same issue as mine, you can use SpaceFM as an alternative. Wi-Fi drivers can be installed, since this Core version doesn't come with pre-installed Wi-Fi drivers, unlike Core Plus. Firefox ESR is the latest web browser available for Core. Chromium is another option, but the available version is very outdated. It's one of the newer versions of Firefox ESR, and it works directly. This is its HTML5 score. LibreOffice is a very common office editor, and it can be installed on Core as well. It took far more disk space than the operating system itself. As you can see, it launches and it can be used right away. And lastly, here's VLC, which is the most common media player. It launches and works the same as in Windows or other Linux distributions. That's it for Core Linux. It's very impressive that it can run modern software natively without having to install any add-ons. The 64-bit version of Core has better software support, offering more programs and updates that aren't available for this one.